to Smyth Basin.
Floor 71.
When you come to us, you get us. We have a core group of 4 lawyers who work very, very well together. And I think that kind of personalization has, well, I think it's resulted in the loyalty that we have in our clients.
We've heard repeated on several occasions that Chris and I in this office are absolutely unpredictable. No one knows what we're going to do next. And that's the way I like it.
If you're too rigid in your thinking and you come in with a game plan that is too firmed up, you're going to miss opportunities.
We try and look at the big picture, and we try and look forward a few steps ahead to see what actions we can do and then what reaction we would get to that, so we can look to see kind of the path. Much like if you throw a rock in the water and it ripples out, you want to look at the after effect of what you do to evaluate whether that's a good idea or if that's going to create a firestorm.
To tell the client what they can do as opposed to what they can't do. When you tell a client what you cannot do, you as a lawyer are taking no risk. You are billing your client for your time, but you're not providing the service that the client wants.
Yeah, and there's nothing clients like more than a solution that doesn't cost them anything. And there's nothing gives us more pleasure, gives me more pleasure to be able to call them up and say, I got a simple, elegant solution. Guess what? It's not going to cost you anything. This is what you have to do.
And that's a message that we deliver more often than most people would imagine.
But we're not afraid to try cases.
Very, very few people have trial experience. Trials have become extraordinarily expensive. Trials are risky. And clients who can afford to pay the fees to go to trial and can afford to take the risks of going to trial are not willing to entrust the trial of their case to young lawyers. And so, as a result, they look to people who've had years and years of experience. You and I are fortunate that we grew up in this profession at a time when we were given the opportunity to get into a courtroom, to try a case in front of a jury, a complicated case, sometimes a case that will last weeks. And it does set us apart. What makes us different from just about every law firm in the city of Seattle is that we are constantly, in every move we make, in every case we make, planning on how we're going to reach the resolution that benefits our client.